This is the final video to solve Google Classroom stuck at loading. And if you're facing this problem, stay with me because Rexish will show you the simplest fixes that actually work. Are you opening Classroom and only seeing a spinning circle that never loads? This usually happens because your browser cache is broken, extensions block Google scripts, or your account isn't syncing correctly. When this happened to me, I fixed it with one easy trick. First, refresh the page, sign out of your Google account, and sign back in. If it's still stuck, clear your browser cache and cookies so Classroom reloads fresh data. Next, disable extensions like blockers, VPNs, or script filters because they often freeze the loading screen. If nothing changes, open Classroom in an incognito window or switch to another browser to see if your main browser is the problem. Also check your Windows time settings and turn on automatic sync because incorrect time breaks Google login. Finally, restart your router to create a clean connection. Try these quick methods one by one until Classroom loads normally. Comment if you want a step-by-step tutorial.